All right. It's been a while. Yeah. But we're back. Let's see what we got. Let's share this in the Discord. And let's get to it. Let's go. Come on, come on. All right, welcome back to another live stream, guys. This is going to be a live trading session. I'm giving out 50 free trades. These free trades are going to be inside the Telegram. They're going to be completely free with no strings attached. You don't need to do anything apart from just be inside the Telegram, and that's where you guys are going to get these free trades. So if you're not inside the Telegram, you won't get them. If you're inside the community, you'll get these trades and a lot more. But I'm giving out 50 free trades. I've already given out 3. The first 2 have been completed. The 2 have been great. The third one is a NASDAQ that's still running. And quite simply, if you're here, whether it's the first day, day 3, day 4, day 5, it doesn't really matter. This is going to be over 10 days. 5 trades a day, in and out. Bam, 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 bam. So I've sent out 3 today. Let's see if we can get 2 more throughout this news stream, throughout this live stream, excuse me. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's check that link, make sure it works. Yeah. Alright, cool. We're live. We're live. We're live. Alright guys, I hope you lot are blessed. I'm going to be going live right now. I'm giving you guys access to day 1 of the first 50 trades. Now inside the community, inside my private Telegram channel, I've already given out 3 trades. The first 2 have hit all take profit targets, and the third one is still running right now. But I'm going to go live and give you guys a chance to get involved. All you simply got to do is click the link below. I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright, who's feeling good? Yeah. Circle sign. Show me that circle. Money day, guys and girls. I hope you lot are blessed. We're going to be looking to short gold this afternoon. To be honest with you, you guys should be in this already. If you're not already in it, you can get another short. Let's wait for 6 minutes. See what happens. Alright, let's see this chat box quickly. I have signed up and I'm not able to join the Discord as the link is not working. Okay, my bro, send me a message. Send me a message to the Telegram support. I'm gonna put it inside the Telegram right now. Check the Telegram right now, my bro. Make sure you've got funds in your account. If there's no funds, there's no access. So that will save you some time, my bro. Someone made 16 grand off of my trade today. Christ. He killed it. 16 grand. Yeah, money day to him, my brother. Money day to him. $16 grand. I'll just see that screenshot now. See, made 16. Lord of mercy. Let me put it in the Telegram. 16,000 off the trades today. Who else wants to sleep? All right, guys, we got a couple minutes. I do like the short. I'm currently in the short. If you guys can look for a re-entry now, then take one, just a light position. But ideally, we want to wait for markets to close. We want to wait for 4 minutes stock exchange to open. Okay. Hold tight. C made 16,000 today off of the trade sent so far. I'm going to show this here. I just logged in and saw that 17k really off of the trade that I sent out. So if you guys ain't following the trades, then what can I say, man? MT5, how can I get to Discord? Okay, Butch, I've got you, bro. I'm gonna send you the Discord link right now. Alright. For those who don't know, I'm gonna do a 50 trade run. I'm gonna give you guys 5 trades a day. If I can give you more in a day, then I'll give you more. But it's gonna be 50 free trades. Don't miss these fucking trades. Don't miss them. Alright, Butch, I just sent you that link there, my bro. Alright. 3 minutes to the open. Ooh. Large up yourself. I just come back from London, so I got the jungle fever. I got the jungle fever. Yeah. If the music's too loud, let me know, yeah? But cool. Let's have a look and see what's going on over here. GDX. Alright, gold is down here. Let's see what the yields are doing on the bonds. A lot of people don't know about the bonds and the yields, man. A lot of people are just looking at... They're just looking at DXY. Always pay attention to the bonds and the bond yields. Free education for you. Yeah? I got another message on one of these. Where's the other message? The other message coming on this one probably. High treasury yields. Higher yields generally reduce the attractiveness of gold. So if this pushes up, gold comes down. That's what we're saying here, guys. Okay, if this goes up, gold's going to come down. Right? And have a look right now. This has been pushing up. Okay? And gold has been coming down. Yeah? So we want to sell this. Circle sign. Show me that circle sign. Alright, we've got 2 minutes until the open. Locked in. Triple M. Let's go. Let's take it easy right now. The afternoon session. Market's going to open right now. We want to see the volume come in. But you guys can take a little short right now on gold. Okay? A little short right now on gold. Okay? I'm going to put this in here. Sell XAUUSD now. Okay. We can have another short right here. $4,459. Let's sell 4,481. TP1 4,459. Alright. This is the pump that we're gonna see, which is natural, okay? If you're still in this trade from earlier, it could even come up here before it comes down. 448. 448. What's that? 448. 448. Stock market's just open, guys. So let's just see what happens, okay? Ultimately, I still want price to come down to here. Right? 4,394. Okay. Let me put it in the Discord as well. Let me just upload this one. All right, where's all my oil traders at? Let's have a look what's happening with oil. Now, oil's been really nice. Fundamentally, I've told you guys where I stand with oil. I've always been bullish with oil. I've never put you guys in a position for you guys to think oil is a sell. Okay, when we look at oil over the higher time frame, for those of you who have been watching me over the past few weeks, you would have seen me tell you we want a price to push down into this area here. It's pushed down into this zone. If you're not still in this trade, ask yourself why. Ask yourself why. Because we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We waited 8 days for this trade. 8 days. And so far, you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You've had 11 days of being in profit. 11 days of having no worries. So yes, we are targeting the highs of $100 plus. We was hoping for more pullbacks, you know, re-entry again here, $79, another re-entry here, 82. But it gets to a point where price is not going to pull back anymore, and we just got to take the, we got to roll with it. We got to roll with it, you know. So obviously we had the news come out yesterday that they had a massive bond buyback program. And the buyback program is the reason why the bond market was pushing up, okay? And if the bonds push up, then the bond yields would come down. Hold on, government 10-year bond. Who's downstairs shouting? Oh, yeah. Anyway, right now the bonds and the bond yields are looking the same. How is that possible? Something must be wrong with my feed. It must be wrong. It's absolutely symmetrical. That don't make no sense. But anyway, my point is we had a massive bond buying back program which pushed this up. So if this pushes this up, the yields will be inverse. The yields will come down. Okay, and that's why we obviously seen the reaction with gold. And also that's what made the dollar move. So because the dollar moved yesterday, it meant that actually that was always going to naturally impact the majors, US oil, gold, you know, these things was going to move. So right now with oil, you know, a lot of you asked me when's the next oil trade? The train might have left the station. The train might have left the station, guys. You know, we had some moves from down here before, right? Price pushed up, price came down. Oil might have left the station. We might just have to be patient. It retested here, and now it's pushed up into a premium area. So, yeah, we've got to watch it right now, see what happens. I do want it to come down to 82,499. If it does come there, then we'll see what happens. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But I'll set my alert at least for 85. So if it starts to drop below 85, then we can say, yo, okay, cool. Let's check gold. I think gold is pumping, right? Yeah, gold is pumped. Okay. Our SL's been hit there, which is cool because we needed it to do this anyway. If you guys are still in the trade from earlier, it could retap you. It could retest your entry. I mean, to be honest with you, let's see what happens from here. Could take the high first before it comes down. That would be nice. But if it don't, then it's going to drop. I'm getting into another entry right here. Let me see. I'm getting to another entry. Alright, this beat is hard. Gold is pushing up. Not gold, sorry, silver. But I'm in this. I ain't gonna lie. GDX is just open. It's the first 10 minutes, so you know. But I'm in this again, guys. So if you're not in it, cool. But I'm in it. We're live trading right now. I'm in this. SL is gonna be 4495. We're live trading. It's just something small. Don't jump into nothing huge. Just let it, you know, like I said, it's the first 10 minutes of the New York Stock Exchange open. So let's see what it actually wants to do. It could push up first, grab the liquidity, and then come down. So just give it a moment. I am going to put on Bloomberg in a second to hear what's going on. As much as it's nice to listen to music, music doesn't actually help. Let me check up here to see what's going on. If the GDX keeps pumping, then we're going to have to go in the direction of the GDX, to be honest with you guys. All right, the music's done now. Let's put on Bloomberg. Bloom Bizzle. Bloom Bizzle.
For the biggest decline since July of 2022, a lot of the big cap
okay.
stocks are also down this morning as Treasury yields push higher. Moderna, that comes back down to earth after it experienced those huge gains. It's down 16-17%, but again, it had a giant rally yesterday. A lot of short covering in that name. The up column, you have NVIDIA, Broadcom, Micron, so a lot of the AI type names. Exxon Energy has been trading really well, reaching new highs. So let me show you what the various sectors are doing, because energy is at the top. We're back at $93 a barrel for Brent crude. That's followed by Infotech, largely helped by NVIDIA this morning. On the downside, staples, discretionary, consumer sectors are doing really poorly because of that Walmart miss. Their weakest sales, comparable sales growth in about 6 years.
This Euro AED trade was sensational, man. 7-1.
With Greg Mellick of Evercore, that's coming up next.
Euro NZD. This AED USD buy would have been sensational. Let's check what the Mexican peso is doing. Still coming down. Wow. Okay. Okay. Goldman Sachs. Excuse me. JP Morgan's coming down. That would be good for the stock market. Okay. Oh look, the VIX is low. Okay, I got a sign here. Stock market makes new high every time price enters the zone. Yeah, that's why I kind of stay away from the stock market, you know. It's constantly making new highs. Constantly. Who's in this short for gold? Let me know. Who's taking a swerve? Who's swerving it?
Now that is some high-grade uranium mineralization.
We used to have a stable climate on this earth. Right now, we do not. Science.
We're pushing the envelope of technology in multiple directions: software, hardware, chemistry, physics.
The cable is like very cold.
And more CEOs that can nail the photo shoot.
Hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars are at stake. While the problems are economic, the solutions are too.
And yes, we will be talking about AI.
There is a lot of humanoid hype out there.
But our future doesn't run on hype. It runs on innovation. Watch season 2 on all these lovely channels.
Technology is embedded in every aspect of our lives, and that revolution is playing out in real time. From finance to defense tech, AI to entertainment, from the road to the stars. Bloomberg is bringing you the stories of companies and people that are pushing tech to new frontiers, and the politics reshaping global tech markets. I'm Ed Ludlow, live in San Francisco, and this is Bloomberg Tech. Every weekday, only on Bloomberg Television. Bringing you up-to-the-minute space news whenever and wherever it happens. I'm Ed Ludlow at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, and this is Bloomberg.
Trading day is about to start.
And you're already looking for that edge.
The Opening Trade brings you everything you need to know as markets open across Europe. I'm Gary Johnson.
I'm Anna Edwards.
And I'm Tom McKenzie. This is your Opening Trade.
Only on Bloomberg.
The global economic playbook is being rewritten, and the levers of...
All right, Bloomberg's just on the brakes, just waffling right now. Let's see what gold wants to do. I mean, silver's actually pushing hard. You look at silver, silver's not playing. And these are actually making their way to the upper room. I'm not even going to lie to you. Like, this whole push up, it was coming, you know. For those of you who have been on my Zooms, my educational calls, you know, I spoke about this weekly formation being bullish, you know, us getting a reaction. If we go here on gold, this weekly reaction was here. We didn't close beneath this low. So, you know, we would technically be in a place right now where we could be getting ready to push up and go up to be making a high again, you know. So anything we're doing on the shorts here is just literally short-lived, literally. But we wanted to come down lower so we can buy. That's what we want to do here, guys. This is a sell to buy scenario. But right now, silver's pushing, but it's kind of holding. But let's see what happens when we reach this re-entry here. Mon said, I'm in. Yeah, let's just take our time, guys. I mean, we're all in the shorts, but let's take our time. Sometimes we've got to get it wrong a couple times before we get it right. You know, one thing that I am being mindful of is this right here. Look, this area here. Yeah, maybe, just maybe, price decides to push up, grabs the liquidity in that area, and then come down. Maybe. You know? So I'm just taking my time. I'm in some shorts, but I'm not. It's not a madness. These shorts are just to test the waters, you know? It's just to test the waters, so let's see.
But that's going to stick around. So I think the reaction today is basically Walmart saying, you know what, we're going to go back to doing what...
Let's see the GDX over here.
If we have TRF rebate money, we're going to...
GDX looks like it still wants to push. Remember, because of this sell-off with the bonds and the yields, yeah? With the bonds, sorry, because of this buyback scheme with the bonds, gold has a reason to finish bullish. Like this weekly candle, if I just go on the, this weekly candle could finish up here. Like we want it to push up, we do. So we're not fooling ourselves here, but we are looking for a pullback. Okay, we're looking at monthly. That monthly looks good to keep going up. It really does.
Well, it's a competitive market, and I think that's one of the things that we're seeing. We were part of a food fight into the back half this year.
Show me that circle sign. Show me that circle. All right.
And so one of the ways to keep them in the game is to...
Let's see what happens in this candle, man.
Rollbacks. Walmart's up to 11,000 rollbacks. Target yesterday talked about reducing prices on $10,000. So you're right. If it comes into a food fight of basically who has the scale and who has the ability to invest to help reduce prices for consumers, I think Walmart is in that good competitive position. For them, I'd say the important thing was confirmation that a lot of the new businesses are growing north of 20%.
All right, come on, gold, man. Make sure you guys are in this trade, yeah? We want price to react. We've got 30 minutes to see this candle come down.
And likewise, I think Amazon is going to make sure whatever Walmart's able to do with growing Plus membership and getting into more middle and upper income households, going to them also for good value and convenience. They're going to make sure they don't.
But you know, it could push up.
It feels like you're describing an environment for Walmart.
Could push up. But right now we're seeing a good reaction.
Given all of that, do you think that the reaction today was alone to you to see Walmart have its worst day since 2022? Is this just kind of an optics problem at the moment, considering the numbers that they put up, but underneath the surface, there's still fundamental growth to be had?
I love that conclusion, or I think that's fair. I mean, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I mean, comps decelerated, and even traffic slowed 150 bips sequentially. I think part of that is last quarter. Basically, retail sales were stronger back in March and April when we had the benefit of all the tax cuts and the refunds from last year. But what you are seeing this quarter is a deceleration. I mean, Target had a good quarter, but they also had a deceleration of 150 basis points.
Sometimes you look at gold and you're like, come on, gold, come on, get down there, you can't. But look, 30-minute looks good for it to come down, man. But it could touch this volume level first before it pushes down. You know, the GDX is coming down as well. This is the GDX. It is pulling back, so it does look kind of good for gold right now. Okay.
There was this narrative, though, around Walmart in quarters past that weakening consumer sentiment might be good for them because you have more middle and upper middle.
I hate when my phone's going off though when I'm on a trade. I swear to you. Does anyone else hate that? Because then when you click on the top, it just takes you somewhere else. But okay. 10-minute candle's going to close.
It could speak to why maybe we'll see some of the other retailers still reporting a lot of the dollar stores, etc. Because the stores are further away from people, so sometimes when gasoline prices go up, they'll consolidate trips. That could be an excuse.
All right, look. This high down to this low would mean that we would need gold to push up higher into this area here. Okay, it would mean we would need gold to push up higher, probably taking the liquidity in this area, guys, before it comes down. That is a possibility. Okay, it is a possibility. We can hope it doesn't happen, but if it does happen, then we can just sell from higher up. That's why we don't need to do anything crazy. We just need to take our time. Okay. Also, what an entry from earlier on, by the way. What a fucking entry. You know, for those of you who are in my academy, this was an institutional level up here. You know, price came right up into this zone, into this area up here, right up into this area. Look, and it just wicked it. Bam, bam, and then came right back down. You know, so then when price pulled back, on the smaller time frames, when prices, let's see a smaller time frame. Here, price 5 minute. Okay, here. Price came beneath this low over here. Then when price started pulling back, we knew what time it was. Even if you got into the short from here downwards, it's still a hell of a move. You know, look, from here downwards, it's still 500 pips. It's a hell of a move. So my point is, you know, just you don't always have to get in at the first sign. Sometimes the first sign needs to be the test. You need to see how the walls are going to crumble. And if the first sign shows you, yeah, it's looking good, then at least on the re-entry you get in. You know, gold is a type of pair where you can't really just haphazardly get in with a mad position. You got to dip your toes in first. If it looks warm and it starts working well, then on the re-entry, bam. You know, but a re-entry needs to be something like this. Let me show you. It needs to be something like this. Price needs to come down, close beneath this low, right? And then retest the low. So then, bam, that's where you get in. Right? So a re-entry then becomes here. After we've already seen price come down and close beneath this low. If you don't see price take out the low, then what's to say that your re-entry, let's say price comes here and pushes up. What's to say that here, getting in here makes sense? It could just be consolidating or ranging to just push higher. You know, so the smaller time frame can show us as good of a picture as the bigger time frame. Just depends on how you look at it. So yeah, the GDX is coming down right now, so that is further supporting our gold short. How short gold comes, only time will tell. What's the Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq's heading towards our TP, man. I sent this out in the Telegram. If you got this, fantastic. If you didn't, it's okay. Silver just looks like it still wants to push, though. God damn. Come on, Silver. Don't do that to us. Don't do that to us, Silver, man. Please. Silver might be an arsehole. Unnecessarily. 7 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. Need to see it do something, man. Yeah, it's pushing up. It could push up and take out this liquidity first, guys. I ain't gonna lie. It's not looking the greatest, man. Half an hour candle, still got 6 minutes. It could still push up first and then come down, you know? It could do anything right now. The GDX is bearish on the 10 minutes, so it is moderately supporting my thoughts on us seeing it come down lower. What about the Nasdaq? Should we hold the trade? Yeah, we're holding the trade. What's the SL? The SL for what? For gold? The SL was 4495. That was the SL for gold. Just to give it some space to breathe, and even that's a bit tight. And it's still not tight, but it's tight. But in this hour candle, in the next 6 minutes, I need to see gold come down. It needs to start twerking low for me. It needs to just tank. It needs to tank. It needs to tank right now. Right now.
And in pointing to those early order program trends, Chris, we also heard the CPO say that they think this is going to mark the bottom of the current high cycle. Is that what you're seeing too?
So okay. SL is 4495. SL is 4495. I'm going to put it inside the Discord for you guys. 5 minutes. I need to see gold do something over the next 5 minutes. Regarding the Nasdaq, still holding that. Yeah, why would we not be? You should be in profit. You should be risk-free with the NAS, so you should just leave it. Maybe close TP1 if you want, but there's no need for you to even question what's going on over there. Right now, we want oil to come down so we can get a buy. We're not going to sell oil right now because it's a short-term pullback. We just want to see what it does. 4 hour candle closes in 3 minutes for oil. Ooh, okay. That's interesting. Gold needs to come down. GDX is coming down. The GDX looks good right now. I might just lot up. I'm lotting up on this gold thing. Don't follow me, guys. I'm gonna manage my trade accordingly, but yeah, I'm just gonna have to lot up, get in there and get out. You know what I mean? You know, you just shake it all about. You just boom, boom. You know what I mean? Let me chill out. Next, you know, I got everyone full put in their accounts saying, "Vel told me." I'm in it though. I ain't gonna lie to you. 5 minutes looking crystal. 5 minutes got to drop right now. Has to. I've lotted up. Come on, 5 minute. 5 minute. It's McDonald's for everyone tonight, or Carbone. Let's see what happens. 5 minute. Bloomberg, you've been shit this afternoon as well. You ain't been giving me no news. I might as well go back to the music. Hey. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. This is what we want. That's what they say. Don't trade in no emotions. But we're like, come on, gold. Yeah. Get down there. Don't fuck about. Don't fuck about. That's how you have fun with it, really. All right. I'll walk you guys through the analysis behind the trade. Okay. We're looking at a few different variables right now. We're looking at the fact that we had the GDX coming down lower. Okay. We had an institutional level from higher. That's what we want to see, gold. Who lotted up with me? Who's got the minerals? Who's got the fucking minerals? That's what I want to know. Who's got the minerals? Because I'm up. I'm up. Let me show you that. Can you see that? How many entries that is, chat? Spammed it. But anyway, my point is, yeah, we had the institutional level from above. I even looked at the structure break on the 1 hour, which wasn't the best. It wasn't the best, okay? It was not the best. But it was a structure break nonetheless, okay? I had a retest inside of there. I had an institutional candle here. If you go on to the 4 hour, the 4 hour looked a bit more cleaner for me, reacting off of my institutional level, okay? I need to see gold slap down right now. Also, when you go on the daily it's a nice reaction. It's naturally, guys, when you see gold flying up 700, 800 pips, 1,000 pips in a day, it's not gonna last. It's not just gonna keep doing that every single day. So we are trading the pullback. We are in murky waters right now, but that's fine. Okay, let's look at the fib from up here to down. Okay, we reacted off of the 70% as well. So these are the confirmations that I had to say, okay, let's try a short. Only a short-term short, but let's try it. All right, now the new hour candle's open. This is where we could be in trouble. I closed out some of my big positions. This hour candle's, it should just slap down. But if it don't, it could grab that liquidity above. It really could. Let's see what the GDX is doing. All right, here we go. Is that the grab on liquidity? Everybody. 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 Alright, it is pushing up harder than I thought. It's probably going to grab the liquidity above, guys. But once it finishes grabbing that, it should come. So let's just see what happens right now. Gold is still pushing up. Not gold, sorry, it's silver. Bitch is stubborn, man. Okay, gold might push up and grab this liquidity above. So just be mindful, guys. Just be mindful. It looks like it's gonna push. Let's see what happens once it pushes. Even a half an hour didn't close the best. 15-minute didn't close the best, man. First it looked like we was good. And then no, but it is hugging this area, it's hugging this zone. The 1 hour. The 1 hour is still showing us that brighter days are potentially available. Don't have nothing crazy, guys. Just remember, take it easy. But I am in this. And I think if it does grab the high, then it's gonna come. But I'm almost 90% confident that this is taking a low. There's no wick below on this hour candle. It had to push up to grab liquidity. I've seen this move a million times. That's the thing with gold. Gold can fuck about 200, 600 pips. But I have seen this move a million times, man. But that's why with gold you can't get too financially invested, because yo, gold's pulling back 100 pips these days. And 100 pips when you got 5 lots open or 3 lots open, if you ain't got enough equity in the account, it can get dark. It can get dark. So don't do a madness, guys. Let's see what happens here. But I do believe this is going to come down, man. This hour candle. This hour candle will turn bearish. Does it turn fully bearish and take the low? Let's see, but it's definitely going to turn bearish, man. Let me see silver. This was a short-term trade as well, guys. Just remember that, yeah? There we go. It wants to come down. It's just being stubborn. Battery's always low on this phone. Come on, gold. Let's have it. I've got this live on 3 devices. Yeah, man. Gold is gonna come. Trust me. Lot up on that bitch. When you lot up, just be ready to take your P's, guys. Don't get greedy. But this is coming down. I promise you. This hour candle has to turn bearish. I ain't saying it has to fucking take the low, but it should take the low. It's taking the liquidity above. This 5-minute candle should just come down. Gold likes to fuck about sometimes, you know? But it should just come down. I repeat, it should. Don't get greedy though, guys. Protect your capital at all costs. If you see something on the table that you want, take that. But it should come down. There we go. There we go. But only gold can do that. Look at the 1-minute candle on gold. Only gold can do that, you know. Can look like you're going good and then just BAM! Just fuck up the dance, boy. 57, 60 pip candle. It's dark. BAM! Excuse me, what? I'm in this gold trade. Who's in this gold trade? This is the only thing we've got cooking right now, guys. It's Thursday today as well. Let me just double check. If we've got any last minute things popping up. Today, nothing else is popping up. We had jobless claims at 1:30, but that's it. All right. Tomorrow, we got PMI for the dollar. Nothing crazy is happening this week, man. But look, I think the rest of the week gold will finish bullish, though, I ain't gonna lie. But right now, we need to see this come down. This 1 minute's gonna end up pushing my cup, you know, chat. This 1 minute's gonna end up fucking us about. This 1 minute's gonna fuck us about. But we've had good reactions from this candle. We've each time we've come up into it, we've respected it and we've come down. But this 1 minute, so 1 minute's probably gonna push up, man. How gold moves. That 1 minute, trust me, it's probably gonna take that high out. But we need it to come down. This 1 minute candle. Alright, gold, come on. Do your thing now. We needed this candle to turn around. Like I said, it could turn around. It's turned around, but it's got to finish bearish. Look, if it does all of this nonsense, we're cooked. We could be cooked, man. I ain't gonna lie, chat. We could be cooked. We could be cooked closer than 3. Nah, I think we're cooked, chat. I think we're cooked still. I think we're cooked. Huh? You can talk.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah. What are you saying?
I sent you the stuff. I just looked at some other things for the UBO. I need to fill it out online. So I didn't know what to do, so I was told to fill it out and it shouldn't be done.
Okay, cool.
I guess you're having to email back that woman and then they'll send whatever for me to pay.
Yeah. Just once you've sent it, once you've done it, just let me know.
I sent you the email.
Alright, cool. Yeah, cool.
I think you'll let capital go back.
Yeah, it's calm. Yeah, it's calm. Yeah, like I said, I think this 1 minute candle was cooking us, chat, man. It was frying us. 1 minute was frying us. Need it to come down. Need it. I'm on the wave right now. 1 minute's cooking us, man. I ain't gonna lie. The 1 minute's cooked us. Pretty sure it's cooked us. Let's see. Nah, silver's pumping. All right. This 1 minute candle could come down. It's a doji there. But, you know, the fundamentals are strong for gold to push up. But it's just at such a high place, you know. I wouldn't buy from these type of areas. I mean, we had a nice sell today. It's pulled back up into pretty much our entry. So we're selling again. Still holding this area right now. But I need it to fucking do something, man. Honestly. Alright, let's check some other stuff and see what's happening, man, Carl. Don't know. I feel like when you base your day all around gold, it can just mess up your day. So let's not get too invested with gold. Okay? DXY is pushing up. UJ is pushing up. See, these things should further support gold coming down. I'm on a wave right now. I'm on a wave right now. Oh yeah, Euro AUD. Euro AUD could actually be a good short. Could actually be a good short. Yeah. I think gold is gonna cook us, you know, chat. I'm pretty sure it's gonna push up, man. Pretty sure it's just gonna push up.
Listen carefully.
Oh, my camera's died.
House of Unity business. You're a summer daytime party. Go and celebrate Terminal 4th birthday with the people up in Bristol. You know it's nice.
Okay, my camera's died, guys. Sorry about that, but could be a better short on this. Let's see what's happening here. I ain't gonna lie to you, look, gold, very temperamental. It's holding this area. Like it's actually holding the area, which it's the hope that kills you. It's holding the area. It really could still drop down from here, but it's consolidating on that area, man. There's not much more I can say. We have to just let it do its thing. Nah, bro, I think it's a pullback to 465 before it pushes up past 4,500. I mean, gold should come down. It really should. But that's the thing. You know, like some days with gold, the price action can be clean. Some days it's not. Today it's not clean. So, I mean, the London session was kind of clean, the sell. But right now this isn't clean. So that's why we shouldn't. Hold on, that music's killing me. Sorry. Right now it's not clean. So we shouldn't get roped in. We shouldn't get roped in. Let me turn off that 2-pack before I get copyrighted. Okay, let me just update the chats and just say price XAUUSD trade update. Price is just holding up this zone. Shows me. This is the day is bullish on high. Yeah, the day. That's what I'm saying. The weekly should finish bullish. Like, you know, we're very bullish on gold, but we're just setting to buy right now. We want price to come down so we can buy it. But you know, because buying it from where it is crazy. Yeah. Mons, I'm gonna have to do your session tomorrow, you know, bro. Tomorrow will be better for me still. But yeah, the price action is dead. It is dead. I might tell you guys to close the trade, you know. I don't want to tell you guys that, but price action is just ranging, and it's ranging higher. That's the thing. I tell you to close out still. I feel like gold can make you overtrade. And I think that's what gold is going to do. It's going to make you overtrade, man. It's not leaving this zone. Think about it. Stayed in this zone for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Almost an hour it's been in the same range. I think it probably wants to take out the liquidity above and then come down. Even if it comes down from where it is right now. The thing is, we want to get in and get out. Like, we want to get in moves where the moves is actually kicking off. It's not kicking off right now. It's just ranging. It's ranging. There we go. What's happening here? Is this it? Is this the move? Is this the Hail Mary? Is this the Hail Mary? Are we finally coming down right now? Just as I decided to say, yo, fuck this. Are we about to drop? Let's see, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, just when we thought we was about to drop, we said, oh, not today. Let's see. We're in a good area to be selling from, you know. It's like, fuck, you know, man. Just when you think, yeah, the 1 minute candle just does a madness. Wicked and bad, that 1 minute candle, you know. Oh my days. That 1 minute candle was naughty, man. We are this range. We are holding this range right now. Oh my gosh. Fuck you know, look at that 1 minute candle. Bruh. That 1 minute candle was crazy. Alright, I'm done with gold for today. Oil's finally coming down. That's what we want to see. That is, oh shit. That is actually what we want to see. Forget gold. Honestly, forget gold. Better fucking jumping into oil, and oil would just never break your heart like that. Alright. Let's see. Alright. We're gonna have a buy limit for oil, okay? Okay. I'm gonna send out this buy limit for oil, guys. The buy limit, I'm gonna write out for you guys. 1 second. The buy limit. Entry. I mean, look, let's see what happens. If it can keep pushing down, it'll be even better. But let's feel some of the imbalance from over there. Fucking hell. How am I not in this short chat? Fuckeries.
We will see you on the 15th of August.
Should be in this short, man. God damn. Nah, don't even get in a buy limit. Don't even get into a buy limit. Gold is gonna push up. Close gold. Close that shit. Forget that. Close gold. Close gold. Close that. Nah, close gold, man. Gold will just fuck up the dance. I'm just looking at this oil trade. I'm thinking, can we get into a sell or should we wait for the buy? Because look at this. We had price come down, yeah, take out these lows, and then price push back up. When price pushed back up, it's reacted nicely off the 70%. Now technically that could push all the way back down to $78. It could, you know. Or the 6 hour candle could just be here and then get bullish. Right now, we don't really know. Let me see what else is cooking, man. Let's see what else is cooking.
Today, I'm Squad's Instant Light account. Let's take a look at what it offers traders and whether it's the right choice for those looking for instant funding. Account sizes range from.
Let's see here. This EA's been in a range. EN, sorry. The 6 hour candle needs to come down. Okay, I'll set an alert for here. I'll be looking to buy Euro NZD at some point, but right now they got to come down. The reaction is nice. God damn. Okay. Oh, the reaction is juicy with this, but we gotta take our time. Let me just see something. Oh, to be fair, 30 is here. Alright. Alright. Let's get into some currencies, man. Sell Euro AUD. Let's sell Euro AUD. 0.35 lot size. The SL is going to be 1.64341. TP1 is going to be 1.63733. TP2 63428. 1.63428. SL is going to be 20 pips. SL is going to be 20 pips. So we can go for a 20 pip TP. 20 pip TP is going to be 63834. 638. Alright, cool. And then 63619. 63619. TP3. It's gonna be here. 63408. 1.63408. TP4. It's going to be here. 63203. 1.63203. TP5. $62990. Okay. 64246. Okay, 1 second, guys. Let's see. I am going to send this trade out. I'm just watching it right now. I'm just watching it pull back. Let's see what happens. Yeah, look at gold. Gold's going to push up, man. Trust me. Look at silver. Silver's been like this all afternoon. It hasn't lit up, so we don't even need to force it. Just let it do its thing. Ooh, silver looks like a good short though. Silver, sorry. Bitcoin looks like a very good short. God damn. What's the Nasdaq doing? We still in the Nasdaq, guys? Nasdaq's doing well. Alright, cool. I'm gonna officially send the ooh. Every word of this game. It's a big tune still. I used to know now what I know now. Yeah. Every is just a game. Alright. Yeah, 80. It don't get deeper. We're getting deeper into these Forex pairs, guys. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah? I'm gonna give you guys a source. Remember, I'm doing 53 trades. 50. We're gonna get some fucking bangers, I promise you that. But we gotta be patient. Euro AUD right now is the only one I see. Go break yourself. Never ram again. We wanted oil to come down so we can buy it, but it didn't even reach the alert. Oh, raise your down. Never really change. Who's still in gold? I hope you're not. Hope you're not in gold no more. What? Steep in the bottom. Deep in the bottom. You can't go deeper. In the bottom. When shit gets deep in the bottom. Big tune. Deep in the bottom. You can't get no deeper. In the bottom of Africa. It don't get deeper. Yeah, there's not really anything else I'm seeing here, chat. Nothing else. Nothing else. Can't get no deeper. At the bottom. Love it when it change. Love it when it change. Yeah, look, gold's about to take off. Trust me, forget gold. Gold's about to take off. Look at me, are they really just the same? You want a trade of gold right now? The only trade of gold is buying it. That's at high risk. But that's the only trade of gold is buying it. Literally. That shit's too high. My phone, people are messaging me, bro, what do you reckon? Slightly. One of my friends, I'm not going to say who you are, but don't text me that about what do you reckon. Come on. Can't get no deeper. Deep in the bottom. Deep in the bottom. Take it no deeper.
We say rhythm up. We say rhythm up. We say rhythm. How's that vibe inside? Nice. Someone get off my chest. Yes. One of your bed, no stress. We spread love like she's on a bed press. How's that vibe inside? Someone get off my chest. Let me give them the new one. It's a new one. I'm like, thank you for your attention. I wish you a pleasant flight. Flight. Lift up now. Show for them. Nice and easy. Sharp. A little auras in motion. Trust the process. We have to mix and blend the generations. Alright then. We ain't playing around. Drums and sticks, technique sound. How's that thing? It's a different sound. We got the water, crust of the ocean brick. Seashell echoing the wave of the rip. The planes in the sky and the turbulence is big. The vibe is right, the parachute fits. Keep the flight.
Alright, guys. Cheese. Look, Euro AUD, that's what we're focusing on right now. Yeah, Euro AUD. Let's load up on this one and catch 20 pips and be back with it. Yeah. How long we been on the stream right now? We've been on the stream hour and 20 minutes. Are we holding? Are we holding what? I feel like that was 20 minutes ago. All right, cool. So I'm sure you know. We're looking at this right now, yeah? That's what we're looking at. That's the only move we have right now, guys. Literally. That's it. Yeah? Let's come back tomorrow. There's nothing else for us to do. There's nothing else for us to do, okay? Let's not overtrade. Let's come back tomorrow, but let's leave Euro AUD to play out. Anyone else who wants more information, I'll see you guys inside of the Discord. Community members,